everybody. Philip Rocker here, John L. Scott. We got another new listing coming on the market up in Issaquah Highlands right now, the Sammamish Plateau, Issaquah School District. Beautiful home, 4,100 square feet. It's one of the only Buchan resale homes in the community right now. It's 5 bedrooms. It's got a ensuite on the main floor, butler's pantry, custom covered patio with an outdoor fireplace. One of the only houses in the community with covered patio. You're gonna love this one. As a matter of fact, let's go inside. I shouldn't be talking about this one. You guys just need to see it to believe it. Here we go. Okay, you guys, are you ready to see one of the most beautiful houses you've ever seen in your life? Here it is.